All right, guys, so today we're doing something a little bit different. We are at the Gaslight District where I live. So we're gonna head outside and we're gonna take a look at the beautiful car show they have. I believe it's called Wheeling. It's a little event with new cars, classic cars, some really nice cars, millions of dollars worth of cars. And we're gonna check it out. I don't know if it's sponsored by Blue Jays or if it has something to do with it, but we're gonna take a look at the Gaslight District where I live, and you guys can come and do your own functions, and you guys can do your own get-togethers. You gotta check it out online. Gaslight District in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Let's get it. Alright guys, forgive me, the lighting's so bad, but yeah, check it out. Last time you guys saw one of these bad boys, the new Skylines. Yeah, check that, guys. Look how fat it is at the back. It's a nice ride, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm trying something different. This is where I live. I want you guys to check out these beautiful rides. Piece of art, man. A beautiful piece of machinery. Absolutely stunning. Yeah. So if you guys don't know, I'm actually sitting right above this. My unit is literally right above this, guys. You can see the beauty of these cars. Check out this baby, this really nice blue here, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that paint job, guys. When do you see something like that? A really nice car. I think this is one of my favorite. The size of those rims. That's a nice car. Check out these bikes, guys. Look at the helmets on them, man. Jeez. Okay, so this is the whole street. The whole street where I live. It's completely bombarded. As you know, I live literally right up there. That's where I live. So now you guys get a better view of what's down here. That's a Toyota, man. Who would have ever thought it could look so good? Guys, check this out, man. This is like something from a movie. Look at the interior in there, man. It's unbelievable. Corvette there. Alright guys, check this beautiful Aston Mini here. You don't see these often. Look at the interior in there. You can check it. It's like brand new. Alright guys, this is the Porsche I was showing you from upstairs. You get a way better view now. Look at the condition it's in. I'm not sure what year it is again, but whenever I set upstairs, it's such a nice car, man. This was one of my dream cars way back in the day, but things change. Still beauty, man. All right, guys. Now you got the GT. GT, is it a GTR? Look at that, man. Unbelievable. See if you guys can take a look at the interior. Beautiful. Look at that. It's in mint condition, man. Now you guys would love to take a ride in one of these. Check out the spoiler at the back. Damn. Look at the size of that. It's crazy. GT3. I know my brother's gonna appreciate this. What a beautiful piece of machinery, guys. Unbelievable. I'm not sure if I got this in there, guys, but I don't think I've seen this model before. Guys, look at this car, bro. V93 is crazy. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at how the light shimmers off of that, man. That's the range, bro. Is that the range or is that the land? It's the range rover. I know you guys like to ride. There's a lot of riders on my YouTube. Go check these bikes out. Tell me what they are. Hey guys, you got the Benz, bro. V8. Damn. The V8, man. Sheesh. I wanted to see this car, guys. As you know, Audi's my favorite. One of my favorite. Look how low it is to the ground. I don't even think I can fit my fist in there. This is definitely one of my favorite out here today. I'll try to get this video uploaded for you guys, and if you are available, come on out. Guys, I'm getting hot out here, guys, and I'm trying to record this for you guys so you see these beautiful pieces of machinery, but I'm not even halfway done and I'm already sweating. So we'll try to get some more footage and then I'm out of here, guys. All right, whoever guesses what car this is, model and year, gets 50 bucks. All right, guys, you got the Lotus that everyone's talking about. Don't ask me what year, what model. Yeah, it's a beautiful car, guys, but yeah, it's a Lotus. Oh, that's nice, guys. Black on black, blacked out. That looks like presidential, you know? It's really nice. Unbelievable. Look at that. It's blacked out. I don't know what the hell this is, guys, but it looks like a Bronco or something. I don't know, Ford Bronco? No clue. Check the car coming up right here. Alright guys, we're gonna head on the other side. So we already did this whole side here. I will be putting some music in when I'm not talking. But as you can see, this is the whole side. I live right up there on like the first balcony that you see there. So we're gonna head to the other side and we'll see what's over there. All right guys, just some filler, some B-roll. This is where I took some pictures that you guys actually saw, I believe, on one of my shorts. But yeah, you're about to check it out. So we're about to go on the other side. So let's take a gander. All right guys, so we're in the district right now by the big screen. You can see from my balcony. I have no idea what the hell this is. So maybe you guys could tell me. Comments. Yeah, so we're still here. This is behind that beautiful machinery. You can still see the big screen. If you guys can tell me what car that is, I will be so happy. The V10, baby. I believe it's an Audi. The V10 Audi, I'm pretty sure. This is all right where I live, guys. So I didn't want to come out, but I said I'll try to face my fears for you guys. and come outside. That's a McLaren. That blue is so electric. It's a really electric blue, guys. Beautiful. My phone is overheating, so let's see the interior, guys. I know there's a Back to the Future DeLorean in here, so I'm gonna go try to find the DeLorean. But I'm getting really hot, guys, so I think I'm about to go upstairs. Look at that, the hot reds, guys. They have all the hot reds together. Oh, look at this, guys. Classic, baby, classic. I don't get that. You don't see that often. Oh my God, look at this. I know you guys are gonna love that. Jeez, the black on it is immaculate. I don't know if you guys seen that new black, the Advent Black or something. I believe it's illegal. It's like the blackest black you can get, the darkest car ever. What the hell is this, Maserati? Oh my God, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so it's like a illegal black. These almost look like that, although I know this is not. Look at that, baby. It's a classic. You don't get that a lot, eh? All right, look at that, guys. How beautiful that is, man. Do you guys want to drive that? An Aston Martin? An Aston Martin? It's a beautiful car, man. You have to blur out all these plates. Really nice, my gosh. Look at the Caterpillar. Look at the freaking brakes. Look at the brakes in that, guys. My God, that's wild. Imagine how fast you got to be going to have disc brakes like that. What the heck? I know this thing's got to be over 700 horsepower. It has to be over 700 horsepower. It's unbelievable, man. So this is the cars they got in the middle. We got a Ducati here, a really nice Ducati. Oh my God, they got the I don't know what car that is in the middle, guys, but that's a nice car right there. I'm glad it came out for you guys. They faced my fears, and so far so good, you know. So we'll probably go around the other side. See there. I think we got on the left side, so you can see the big screen up there. So this is where I live, guys. This is the Gaslight District in Cambridge, Ontario. Look at the Dodge Viper in the back of it. I don't even know if they still make them or not, but that thing looks like a beast. Check this bad boy out, man. It looks like something out of a Batman movie. What the? You have to blur all these plates out. Look at that engine. Jesus, imagine sitting on all those horses, guys. Imagine sitting on all that power. Unbelievable. Alright, guys, this is the main stage. So this is where they have the DJ up there. They have the main area. And I live right up there. The second one, that's where I live. So I could give you guys a nice aerial footage afterwards. And we'll go from there. But yeah, so this is the main stage, right, guys? What's up, guys? You can check it out. We're here at Cambridge, the Gaslight District. Check out the beautiful automobiles. If you are around, you guys should take a gander and check it out. Some really nice classics, some good new cars as well. But you guys got to check it out. Here we go. Look at this, man. This is so sexy, my God. Look at the color they chose, huh? Really make the color, this blue with the rims, it pops so much. Like, it's such a simple color, but it looks so nice and elegant. Like it looks beautiful, guys. Wow, guys, look, another beautiful color, man. These new colors that they got, I don't know if it's like a pastel or what, or a chalk, but it looks good. Let's check out this bad boy over here. A little Benz. Let's check out the interior. right, guys, we got some Porsches, some Dodge Vipers. I'm not sure the year or make and model. Have no idea, but these look real nice, man. I believe that's a Dodge Viper back to back. 9-liter Extreme. What the hell? 9 liters? Damn, that's how much chocolate milk I drink in a night. I'm joking. 9 liters. That's crazy, bro. I've never driven a car with 9 liters. I think I've driven a car the max like 5.2 liters, and that was insane. Like you would not find 5.2 liters anywhere. Only like big engines, really nice cars. All right, guys. So you get like an aerial view. When I go upstairs, we're gonna get an aerial view of everything that you guys see up all over here. We're gonna actually go up to the top, and we're gonna see the top view right after this. So I'm just gonna get a few more cars, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I think this will be my final car, and I'm gonna go upstairs and give you guys an aerial shot of everything, right? And we're gonna try to put the video together. I'm gonna try to put the video together for you guys as fast as I can, and that's it. I'm really hot, so I'll go upstairs. Alright guys, this is the end. So we're gonna try to do a whole shot up here, and that's the finale, guys. So we'll see you upstairs.
Love keeps singing in my mind. Love keeps singing in my mind. Love keeps singing in my mind. Pick your favorite.
Alright guys, this is the final shot. I'm gonna go upstairs. We've taken everything. Too bad you didn't get to see these lights on. They actually use real gas. So yeah, we're gonna head up there so you can get an aerial footage shot. You can get a really nice aerial footage shot, and that'll be the ending of it. All right, guys, we got the Delorean from Back to the Future. Guys, I've been waiting for this car. I saw it from upstairs, and I've been wanting to show you guys, so I came back down just to show y'all. All right, guys, I think they're all headed out. It's starting to trickle down. People are starting to head out. So I wanted to kind of give you guys a aerial view of the madness. I don't know if they're all going to head out at the same time or not, but that would be cool. But I guess we're going to see. I'm sure you guys can hear them. That was the Porsche GTR, I think, that just headed out. The gray one, gray and yellow writing that you guys saw earlier. You know, when I was out there, guys, the people were so nice and friendly. Even with the culture differences. Very nice people, though. Did you hear that? It's like rockets going on. There we go. All right, guys. I'm sorry you can't see it, guys, but I tried my best. You can see it in the reflection. Damn. It's like rockets. See, everybody's making a left out here, so you guys can't really see it. But I'm sure somebody's got to go right. There you go. Oh, shit. Now this was an event, guys. Millions of dollars of cars. Millions of dollars worth of cars were here, bro. That was better than any event I've seen here so far. So that was cool, man. It's just a lineup of them out there. Too bad you can't see. Like a fucking damn. Yeah, it's clearing out pretty quickly, guys. I literally just made all that footage for you guys in time. Thank the heavens above. Thank the Lord. Got all the footage for you guys, man. Now it's time for our movie. Rejuvenate, chill, relaxation, bro. Rejuvenate, chill, relaxation, bro. I'm trying to wait for you guys to see all these other cars head out, but damn, I'm gonna be out here for a while. Shit. That damn bike is loud, bro.